Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, as you can see, fall is here. The trees are turning. I love this tree. It is so beautiful. Don't know what kind it is. It was here when I moved here, but I loved to see it this time of year. I think the wasps like this tree also because they built two large nests in the tree. I don't know whether they're wasps, hornets, whatever they are. As you can see, I finally got out this weekend, got those sweet potatoes harvested. One thing that I did find out is sweet potatoes like a lot of sun. I planted them in a different place last year, and so I decided to change them where they were getting a little bit more sun, and I did get quite a few larger potatoes this time. So I will definitely keep that in mind for next season. Well, there it is. I finally got it finished. I thought it would be easier after the rain, but it was harder because the dirt did not want to let the potatoes go. Kind of nicked quite a few of them, so I'll be eating a lot of potatoes today. But I got that finally done before it got too cold. Well, this is my harvest. I have to wash them off. This is my sweet potato harvest out of that bed. And still got a few more in a couple of pots, but I thought it would be better to dig them up after rain, but I was wrong because that mud did not want to release those potatoes, so it was a lot harder digging them up, but I got them up. Now this is what those potatoes look like that I planted in those large pots. They didn't get large at all, so I will not be planting sweet potatoes in a pot again. I mean, these are really small. So if you planted sweet potatoes in a pot and got large ones, let me know. Maybe it's the soil that I had in there. I don't know. I was a little disappointed with these.
6 health benefits of sweet potatoes. 1. Highly nutritious. 2. Promote gut health. 3. May have cancer-fighting properties. 4. Support healthy vision. 5. May enhance brain function. 6. May support your immune system.
This is Lady P from my backyard garden. Until next time, peace and love. I'm out.